we apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. Remove the screws from the middle frame. We remove the NFC antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now we return with the assembly process.